Here is a 5-bladed Hunter Comfort Breeze. It's got a spinner motor in it. And I got this from Troy. And it's a really nice fan. I actually really like it with 5 blades. I've usually only seen them with 4, you know, the older ones. But I like it with 5. I think it's nice. It's a different thing. The fitter I have is brass. But I have a white Hunter one somewhere, but I can't find it. So, you know, I have, of course, white tassels on it that I got from Marvin's. And the fan works, the light works. You just had to finagle that chain a bit. And the fan does work as well. Puts out a good breeze. That sound you're hearing is the light kit. That's one thing I don't like about this system where they screw on with the 2 screws. It rocks back and forth, perpendicular to the screws. And here's low. It's a good fan. If my younger brother moves back into the house, which who knows, he'll probably be in the room that has the Emerson 1895 now. I'll take that out and put this one in there, because I don't really trust him. And this is a fan I can get replacement arms for if, you know, they get bent or whatever. You know. I'm just being paranoid, but that is what I do. Oh, there's a wasp in the garage. Great. Little bastard. I wish I had some wasp spray. Anyway, and off. But it's a pretty neat fan. Oops. And the light shade is Hunter as well. By the way, I think it looks really good on this fan. But anyway, there's that video, and I hope you enjoyed.